about clock. No, she want dead today. I can't do wow. Wow, not dead today, wow. No dead today, wow. Your man not dead. Not dead today.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Today video gonna be lit, so remember to subscribe. Is it? Yeah man people, so right now this kind of serious, nothing funny about this. You see me? May I tell you, mental illness and drugs can do something serious to you, you see me? She need help. Yesterday people pass her on the road and see her like this. You see me guys? I wonder like which part all of the people them were used to there on her when she say wow. You see it? You really them thing that me I tell you about in her life, you know guys. You see it? Plus we see a song with she and Baby Lord, plus one with Gangolo. It add up to over 1 million and odd views, you see it? Not even a piece of money the man them could have looked on her and girl. Cha cha.
So what is that? Back of the
Talking about money guys. See Rose, I get piece of food here in her hand again. She turn idiot. First she see Cayman money, they even know if it real. But anyways guys, this me I talk about. So simple and easy piece of food can run pan candy. You see me cause $80,000 that easy Rose get. And man has carried it through the world and that enough of them now. You don't understand viewers. Yeah.
Yes, what is that? Back of the I'm talking about now.
I got me a stay.
You know what? After you know, what kind of money that is? After money that good?
The money ramp away. Ramp away.
Rose, look for some money.
Money them and go change.
This is one of the US money. This is CI money. You can't tell some US money, some CI. This are the real views. I'll get you 1,000. This is all gonna Rose. This is a fucking paper show.
When I tell no like Nikki Chromaz got hard guys. You see pre. First she come on media and say she can't do certain things again. Cause she have her man. Around 2 days to 3 days after them that in a jacuzzi all vibes and them something. Yeah man. Remember said that girl and Nikki channel normally show up for her. You see me? So man the American say when she in a relationship she not sure that person is me. So you can know say I settle down, she appears to settle down, you know guys. Alright people, so since recently, not even recently, just call it yesterday. But do a video and inform the people them say Amari leave Jamaica, right? But just want to know she'll be back, you know. Just to make her know she gone.
Yeah. Stole my gambling money and come online talking about you gonna do my nails and you gonna do this and you. I turn on this. I don't want to hear the music. It was my dream. You hear me? And guess what? You see the number that I gave him? He's like buying it everywhere now. He believed because he went at the casino that it's gonna play again and again and again. And I got a second dream.
He's waiting for it.
How much was it?
True.
Yeah. I bought this from a lady on the sidewalk. I wanted to support her. And I'm not the type of person that after going to a rich store and wear name brand. If I see something and I like it, I'm buying it. Any part of the world, on the sidewalk, in the thrift shop, where they were like, Amari. They were so cute. You know, I have this large gay fan base, and love is not the word. I feel like one of them. I don't know how to describe it. Because just like how people be all up in my biz, people be all up in their biz when it's none of their biz. Straight up. So that's what's up. So David feel like tonight I'm going to say I'm not going home. That's not going to happen. That's not going to happen. Honestly, if Colin was a fair person that I saw a future with, I would stay even longer, you know, but I do the arithmetic and I say, if you're gonna move like this, it makes no sense staying here with you. I can't plan a future with you. I've seen more than one dishonest ways. Like the other day, they got $200 for me to do a dub plate. Motherfuckers told me that they only got 100. So they were like 100 US. They were like, Amari, can you do it? We got 100. So I said, okay. And I did the dub plate. And only to find out, Mari taught the things. Only to overhear his brother on the phone saying that he's gonna send 100 out of the 200 to Colin auntie for Colin. And I'm like, how you gonna move with me like that? You know, you my boyfriend. And then hear what they did me. He's coming. But hear what they did me. I said I was tired of Kingston and I wanted to stay somewhere else. So they bring me to this whole motherfucking place and charge me $1,800 a night. And I was like, what the fuck, in some bushes? I was in the bushes in the middle of the night. I was like, oh my gosh, if I even die here, goodies don't even know what happened. The middle of the bushes for $18,000 a night. The bed was on the floor. So I don't trust nobody. I was like, take me to Miss Coral. Take me to Montego Bay. What the fuck? I could tell you some stories. So I don't trust no one. I think when I go back, I'm going to tell you everything. Nice. Yeah. We just got Trevor's slippers. I feel like he needed slippers. You know? And the thing about it, you know, the dump plates money, I don't even take it for myself. I give it to my entourage. I be like, you all can have that, but don't lie to me, you know? Because I did another dub plate and he picked it up Western Union and I was like, take it, buy your shoes, do whatever. I give it to them, so why you lie to me? So just now they called me and they wanted me to do a dub plate for 50 US. I'm like, what the fuck, motherfuckers, you all think I'm starving? I said, fuck you, I'm not doing nothing. Then they were like, 150 Mari. I say, hell no, I'm not taking less than 200, although I just give away the money, but I know my value. So that's what's up. Yo!
So, hope you enjoy the video and thing. I don't know the style though. So at the end of the video, just bless up on yourself. Like all the time. You see me? Until next time, I'm out, and bless up YouTube also. So, wait, can